Welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I've finally got what I've been waiting for like a while now. So right here we got 8 new injectors. Ordered these off of LMR, and here is the part number, and we're gonna throw this in to the Mustang. So if you don't know, this right here is my 1989 Ford Mustang GT, and well, she needs a lot of love. And I will say, her growing up probably didn't get the love that she deserves. So we're gonna show her a little bit of love and slap these new injectors in here. So if you watch my previous videos, I did this and valve covers, things like that. So we're slowly putting this thing back together, and yeah, so let's do it. Alright, so we got everything replaced here. So let me show you. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but basically every single one here. Basically every single one has a bunch of gunk in it, and I think this is just my opinion or theory, is this thing had an old gas tank that rusted out and I needed replaced. Got replaced, never flushed out anything, and so that clogged up the injectors, leaving me with this mess. So if someone had to do it, I guess it was me. Now it's time for everything to get back together, go back together. So I'm just gonna slap it all back together, hopefully get everything, like all the vacuum lines, things like that, back in place, and I'll show you guys the end product, and we are gonna test it out. Alright, so got everything back together. Couple bolts didn't seem to want to thread in, so it definitely wasn't me. I didn't over tighten them, but whatever. Anyway, got the old fuel gauge hooked up, and I guess we test it out. Let me grab the keys. Alright, so oh yeah, she's building some pressure now. Okay. Let's check for leaks. Don't see any right off the bat. I'm sure if there are any, they'll pop up after. Whoa, 30 right off the bat. Come on, baby. I know you want to. First, we gotta check our pressures. There we go. That's what I want to see. Alright, so let's get this thing backed out before I smoke out the basement. So this thing revved up to like freaking $3,000 and it just held it there. So I guess that's what I'm gonna try and figure out. There could be a vacuum leak or something. Alright, so I got the idle normal. You can see she still smokes a little bit, but I guess to be expected. I guess all we can do, like, I still have it idle a little high, so I can fix that, but that's the only thing we can do is, well, test it out. So I'll just take you down the road. It's definitely a whole lot better than it was when I first got this, so I'll take it. Maybe she's just low on some fluid. She still runs just a tad rich. Drive went well. Me and the wife, we went out for about an hour drive, just around a bunch of back roads trying to feel this car out. And honestly, I mean, from when I first got it to how it is now is a night and day difference. It runs so much better. So I can't complain on the progress we have made today. I think we're getting somewhere closer and closer to the goal, and the goal is to get this on the road, get her actually street legal. I mean, she has everything but the inspections. So what I keep saying, I think she's coming together very well. So I guess that leaves us at, that's it for the video. So I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of this car and our progress that we have made together, and hopefully we can keep moving forward on this car and get her done. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.